Now remember, when you're looking at straight lines, any lines that cut the y-axis, you know that the coordinates will always have x is 0. Okay, now you might be able to tell from the actual where they're cutting what the y coordinate is, but every single one of these lines that are cutting through the y-intercept or intercept, you know that the x coordinate is 0. Okay, because it's not even had the chance to go along whether it's positive or negative. And that's the exact same concept for anything that cuts through the x-axis. You'll know that you might not know whereabouts precisely it's cut through, but you'll know the actual y coordinate is always going to be 0. Okay, so if it cuts through the y-axis at that point in which it's cutting through, the x coordinate is 0. If it's cutting through the x-axis, the exact point in which it's cutting through, the y coordinate is always 0. This is a good wee exercise for simultaneous equations. So they always give you a wee scenario and you have to try and convert it into a wee equation. So piggy bank, it has x number of 50 coins, y number of 20 pences, and there's 60 coins altogether. Okay, well, create an equation for that. So x is the number of 50 pences, so it's just x, and y is the number of 20 pences, so x plus y equals 60. And that's your a wee equation for that. I then go down, we've got a cinema scenario, so x is the number of standard seats, y is the number of jokes, right, an algebraic equation for this. So there's 300 seats, and there's x standard plus y amount of deluxe seats, so that's x plus y equals 30. Then go down to this one, and you'll probably be getting the hang of this. So a tournament, 20 games to win, so the number of games and number of losses, x, you win x games and lose y games. Okay, so there's 20 games altogether, so again that's x plus y equals 20. So they'll quite often tell you what you're looking for in terms of x's and y's. Andrew stays 3 nights and has breakfast on 2 mornings, right, and his bill was £145. This time they're just expecting you to come up with a variable for nights and for breakfasts. So normally it's been x and y, so you can come up with one, try and make it something sensible. 3 for nights, we just say 3n, and it's plus, and 2, we'll just call it b, equals 145. Okay, so 3 nights and 2 mornings. Obviously, n is the price for 1 night and b is the price for 1 morning. We've got 4 peaches and 3 grapefruits cost £1.30, so that would be 4, we've got to say peaches are p, plus 3g equals, and we'll just put it in pence, so that's 130 pence.